Hey everyone, welcome back to Crafty Fox DIY. Today we'll be experimenting a bit by opening the hard drive cover while it's plugged into the computer. This is the old laptop hard drive we'll be using for our test. Let's take a look at the specs before we dive in. Now I'm connecting the hard drive to a USB to SATA reader. Once it's connected, let's plug it into the laptop. As you can see, the hard drive is working perfectly and everything looks normal. Time to take things to the next level. I'm disconnecting the hard drive and removing all the screws to open it up. Remember, opening a hard drive exposes it to dust and damage. This is purely for educational purposes. To access and remove the remaining screws in the hard drive, you must first peel off the sticker. Surprisingly, the drive was loud at first. I tried to hold it tightly and it still worked fine even after removing all the screws. All right, now I'm carefully lifting the lid, and there it is. The inside of a working hard drive. The platters, the read-write head, all exposed. Now for the dangerous part. I'm gonna power it up with the lid off, and oh no. It's making a clicking sound. That's the read-write head failing to position correctly. The drive is no longer recognized by the computer. So, there you have it. A hard drive will still work with the screws out, but the moment you remove that lid, you're risking total failure. Don't try this yourself unless you're prepared to lose all your data. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this experiment, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.